Hi everyone and welcome to another video. This is a tutorial system for your game. Once the player joins, you will display a tutorial. Of course, if he is a brand new player, else we will just let him play the game. Now I will leave the game to see if it worked. There we go, we have successfully finished the tutorial. It will be only played once a new player joins the game. If we take a look at the output, there is a variable that we store. We are using it to check if player has finished the tutorial. As we can see, it's set to true. Now focus with me, I will explain how it was made. Link is in the description, feel free to sub guys. Once you get the model, follow these steps. And like always, if you are stuck, read the script. Now we move to the data store script. It's just a regular data store script, but we have an additional value, which is the tutorial one. This approach can be done with badges. I wanted to use data store for it. If it's a new player, then we will fire a remote event and change the value to true since Boolean's default value is set to false. So as a conclusion for this, the value is used to play the tutorial once. We move now to the client script. We have all of our necessary variables, from our player to the services such as run service and twin service for animation. We have also variables for our interface text, as well as a table that contains the position of our cameras and a table for our speech. Here is a quick note. The first value of the tables of our table represents the position, while the other one presents the orientation, the direction of the camera. This function will animate the text. The letters will appear one by one. Using string sub, we'll cut apart from our text. You specify the start position of the cut and the ending. The next function is animating the camera by tweening its C-frame. I have already covered in previous videos. C-frame and the services, make sure you check them. Now let's continue our script. This is the main function. We start by disabling the player movement. Then we enable the user interface and we change the camera type so we can move it freely and animate it. Then we loop through all the camera's positions and we call the functions and give them the parameters. For the camera's function, we gave it the positions info, and for the text function, we gave it the index of the text. Once it's done, we will enable the player movement back. And that's it for this script. Now before we end, here is how to get the positions. Place apart, go to its properties. Under the C-frame, copy the position in the first spot and the orientation in the second. Tables elements. If you found this video helpful, like and sub to support me. I'm working hard on these stuff. Enjoy and thanks.